हेलो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में बात करेंगे जनरल कन्वर्सेशन सेंटेंस की। शुरू करेंगे। व्हाट इज योर नेम? माय नेम इज राहुल। हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। वेयर डू यू लिव? आई लिव इन दिल्ली। व्हाट डू यू डू? आई एम अ स्टूडेंट। आर यू रेडी? यस, आई एम ऑल रेडी। व्हाट टाइम इज इट? इट्स 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Are you busy? No, I am free right now. What happened? Nothing. Everything is fine. Do you know me? Yes, we meet last year. Why are you here? I have come to meet you. Do you need help? Yes, please help me. Where is your office? My office is nearby. Are you tired? Yes, I need some rest. Are you hungry? No, I just had food. What is this? This is my new hope. Who is he? He is my elder brother. Are you coming? Yes, I will reach in 5 minutes. Do you like it? Yes, it is very beautiful. What day is today? Today is Monday. Is it raining? Yes, take an umbrella with you. Do you speak English? Yes, I can speak a little bit. Are you alone? No, I am with my friends. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Can I sit down here? Yes, please sit down. Is there any problem? No, there is no problem. What is the what is your favorite food? I really like dal chawal. Can I call you? Yes, call me in the evening. Why are you laughing? Because this joke was very funny. How far is your home? My home is 2 kilometers away from here. Is it yours? No, it's not mine. Did you eat food? Yes, I had my lunch. Is it possible? Yes, everything is possible if you work hard. Can I see it? Yes, please have a book. Yes, please have a look. Are you scared? No, I am not scared. Can I use your pen? Yes, why not? Here you go. Is it correct? No, there is a mistake in this. Do you want tea? No, I prefer coffee. Will you help me? Yes, I will try my best. Did you go there? No, I was very busy yesterday. Did you see him? Yes, he was in the market. Is it expensive? No, it is quite cheap. Do you agree? Yes, I agree with you. Shall we start? Yes, let's get started. When will you sleep? I will go to sleep at 10 p.m. Are you going to the market? Yes, I need to buy some vegetables. Can I open the window? Yes, the weather is very nice outside. Will you come with me? Yes, I would be happy to come with you. Can you swim? No, I don't know how to swim. How long are you here? I am here until next week. Will everything be fine? Yes, don't worry. So होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो कमेंट में फीडबैक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो।